Hey guys! I'm here with my cousins. My cousins in Philippines. Hello guys. Maglalaro tayo. They don't know what that means. It means hello guys. We're gonna play. Hey dudes! What happened to you dudes?
Dude, the part na 10 pa lang yan
Ow! Wait. No, ow. By the way, face reveal.
They're doing?
Face reveal.
Wala pa akong 1
Okay. And give me this.
Hindi nga eh. Hindi mo sa ano eh.
Halos lang ka ba? Sa team mo na
Ano nilang magagawa?
I'm just gonna do that. I'm just doing a video. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel now.
Really? I want to see that.
No, later.
Okay, promise.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Ang bait-bait ni Gio. Sige, yun. Not mabait sa akin.
Okay, you can see my.
Promise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello guys. Today I have mommy again. By the way, my aunt is here. My aunt. Show. Yep. Okay. This is a tour of my toys. A tour. First, I got my set, my Lego set with this meat right here, this meat, and this guy, this little guy.
Who gave you the toys? Hindi ako bigit mo yung stuff mo.
Ninang nice.
Nagsasabi lang ako.
And this one is different. This one, and this meat. The meat.
No, sila.
Chicken fly. Anyways, part 2 tour later. Bye guys.
One day